The vast expanse beckons. The yearns in the heart soars. I am on a pilgrimage to the revered Kunlun Mountain. Amidst the splendor of mountains and rivers, I gallop freely across the epic land of China. Traveling steadily to the distance, I see the ever-shifting tapestry of clouds. In this apex of earthly grandeur, I witness the shape of origin. After endless vicissitudes, the core of my faith stands unyielding. It is the faith that keeps me warm in the grim cold of the Kunlun Mountain. The journey to Kunlun is akin to a quest for life's essence. Immersed in the ultimate landscapes, I see the horizons of my deepest desires.